Hey everybody, this is Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I'm your host Paul Motley, and today we are going to talk about a very controversial subject. Well, actually it's not that controversial, it's bonus wars. Well, we all know that these things happen, especially in the affiliate marketing world, where people will actually incentivize others to purchase through their link by offering bonuses. Okay, now there's a right way and there's a wrong way to do this, and there's actually a third way to even do better at this as well. So we're going to cover all three. The wrong way is to offer things which are completely nothing to do with the product that you're actually selling, and just like putting silly amounts of saying, oh well, I have this and it's worth $2,000, and then creating bonus stacks which are like $50,000-$60,000. At the end of the day, it's really doesn't, unless it's real, it's not going to make a difference, and it really won't actually be congruent with the offer, and people see through it very quickly. So what about the right way of doing it? Well, the right way of doing it would be to look at what's complementary, what's actually going to help that person when they actually make the purchase. And that's going to make more sense to them to look at people, okay, right, well, if I buy off this person or that person, they can offer me this, that, the other, which is going to actually enhance or improve my chance of success with said product, right? That makes sense, yeah? And then the third one, to actually improve your chances, when I look at things, especially this is going to work mainly with things which are just about to launch. Now, the one thing that people do is when they're looking for a product, they might go to the website already, and they might not be in the mood or in the position where they can actually make a purchase straight away. So they might revisit it, and a lot of times people will go onto Google or they'll go onto YouTube and they will look for product name plus review, or product name plus bonus, or product name plus pricing, stuff like that, because they want to find out exactly what they're going to get and how it's going to help them with their business. And that is the way to target people. That is the way to actually create, especially like if it's a new launch as well. Now, in my experience, if you already own the product or service, then you're going to score way better. You're going to actually have something of substance where you can actually build on. So, and a lot of times if I'm looking at something which is just launching and I want to be an affiliate for it, then I might be able to get early access to it. I might be able to contact the actual producer and try and get some sort of review version of the product or service, so that I can actually go through it, deep dive, and have a look and see exactly what is actually, what it's all about and what problems it's going to solve for people. And then you can actually start thinking, okay, right, well, if it's going to do this, then how can I help that person achieve that either faster or get better results from it? And that is really where you want to try and focus on what sort of bonuses that you can provide, and put real values on it as well. If you're going to, the thing is with small ticket stuff, and we're talking like anything under $100, I guess that's small ticket these days, then, sort of like a quick start guide, that would be a good one to do. Or something else like a checklist to help people get going, or an advanced thing, or like an in-depth review, do a video on YouTube or something like that. Those are the sort of things that people are going to be looking for. So that is what you can help them with. When you're going into more high ticket, then I would suggest offering personal help, because that is going to, what is you giving someone else your time is going to distinguish you between lots of other people, because they may not be willing. They may be just thinking about the dollars. They may be just thinking about that commission, rather than offering help and support after the purchase. And realistically, that is what's made a huge difference personally as an affiliate marketer to my business as well, is being able to be there for people after the initial purchase. Sure, yeah, I've got on Zoom calls and I've got on phone calls and all sorts of stuff with people pre-purchase, but just being there afterwards as well, offering your expertise because you have used the product or service yourself, because you've got results with the product or service yourself as well. That is going to make you so much more ethical, if you like, or it's just going to make everything seem so much easier for people to to actually go ahead and purchase with you, because you're offering something extra to what's already probably amazing. And I think that's such a huge win for everybody, because at the end of the day, yes, you get the affiliate sale, and the person that's purchasing, they get your expertise and your support ongoing along with their product purchase. So that's what we actually come back to, is when you're trying to construct the bonuses towards a product or service, make sure that you have that product or service in mind. And that is why when I'm trying to do things, I always think, right, okay, well, how can I actually help someone move forward with it? What tools could I give them, or what offers can I put towards them, or, you know, anything that's going to help them, basically, anything at all, and give it a solid value behind it. So if I'm charging like $200 an hour for personal coaching, then if I'm offering a bonus of a one-to-one call for an hour, then stick $200 on it. Don't say it's like worth $500 of your time, because let's face it, if that's all you were charging before, that's all it's worth right now. So that's this kind of like mentality that I want you guys to get into, is think about the bonuses that you're going to offer. Think about the true, honest value behind it, and then follow up with it as well. And that is another big thing as well, especially when it comes to trying to win affiliate promotions or competitions or anything like that, is just go that extra miles, go that extra little bit, rather than just sticking a few videos out there and hoping for the best. Just be honest with people. And I've done this myself, actually. It's something interesting, that if I don't think it's a good fit for them, then I will let them know. And I think, okay, right, well, maybe this isn't for you. There's another product or service that could help you out more so. And maybe some cases I'm affiliated with it, maybe some cases I'm not. So just be honest and ethical with that person. If it fits and you think they're going to do well with it, and you think you can help them do well with it, then of course you can recommend it out. But if it's not, then you just have to be upfront with people, because they are going to trust you for, you know, longer term, and there may be something that comes up down the road which is more suitable for them. And that is then how you can still progress your business forward, because you are still being ethical. And I think that's something massive right now, that there's so many marketers out there just looking at the numbers, just thinking about what they can get and what they can take from people. And that is really not how you're going to get a sustainable long-term business. You've got to position yourself from a person that is a salesperson to an advisor. And that's something that changed my business completely over the last couple of years. So that's the main advice that I want to give out to you guys today, and I hope it finds you well. And if it's your first time, subscribe. Why not? Drop us a rating, drop us a review. Go check the show notes. There will be access to some free stuff in there as well, so you can go ahead and get the Ultimate Affiliate Toolbox. It's designed to help you, yeah? And that is the whole point of it. So make sure you go ahead and get that, because it's zero cost. You can opt in, get some free stuff, and project your business forward. All right, we'll catch you next time.